given a matrix An is equal to Aij of order 3 by 3, where Aij element Aij is equal to 2i plus j upon 3 power 2n, 1 less than or equals to I comma j less than or equals to 3. Then find the value of limit n tends to infinity trace of 3a1 plus 3 square a2 plus 3 cube a3 and so on to 3 power n an. Okay, since given an, let us write an matrix. Since the question is about only the trace, let me write only the elements of a11, a22 and a33. So I can write a11 element 2 into 1. So let me write here a11 2 into 1 plus 1 divided by 3 to the power of 2n. So that is 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 divided by 3 to the power of 2n. And a22 element, so 2 into 2 plus 2 divided by 3 to the power of 2n. 2 to the 4 plus 2, 6 divided by 3 to the power of 2n. And a33 if I can 2 into 3 plus 3 divided by 3 to the power of 2n. 2 3 is 6 plus 3, 9 divided by 3 to the power of 2n. So I will be getting here 3 upon 3 to the power of 2n, and these are some elements. And next element, 6 divided by 3 to the power of 2n, and the last element here 9 upon 3 to the power of 2n. So this is a matrix, and we want the trace of an. So we can just write here trace of an is equal to sum of all these diagonal elements, which is equal to 3 upon 2n 2 3 power 2n plus 6 upon 3 power 2n plus 9 upon 3 power 2n. That is 3 plus 6 plus 9 divided by 3 to the power of 2n, which gives here 18 upon 3 to the power of 2n. Okay, this you keep it aside. So trace of any matrix an is nothing but 18 upon 3 to the power of 2n. Now in our question, then find the value of limit n tends to infinity trace of 3a1 plus 3 square a2 and so on up to 3 power n an. So limit n tends to infinity trace of 3 times of a1. a1 is nothing but we can add 18 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 into 1 plus 3 square 18 upon 3 to the power of 2 into 2 plus 3 cube into 18 upon 3 to the power of 2 into 3 and so on. The last one 3 to the power of n into 18 upon 3 to the power of 2n. Okay, now so if we can take out the 18 common, so limit n tends to infinity. So if I take 18 common, so we can write here trace of 18 of, we can write trace of 18 of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 3 power 2 plus 3 square upon 3 to the power of 4 plus 3 power 3 divided by 3 to the power of 6 and so on 3 to the power of n divided by 3 to the power of 2n. And now if I can simplify this part, limit n tends to infinity trace of 18 times of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 cube and so on to 1 by 3 to the power of n. Clearly this is a GP, geometric progression, with a is equal to 1 by 3 and r is equal to 1 by 3 less than 1, and here r value less than 1. And since limit n tends to infinity, so we can apply sum to infinity of gp, so which equals to trace of limit n tends to infinity. This part we can write it as 18 times of this sum to infinity n tends to infinity, right? So here I'm taking trace only. I wanted to write this just a second. So as limit n tends to infinity, we can write this as a 18 of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 power 3 and so on to infinity. So this is sum to infinity. Sum to infinity in GP is a upon 1 minus r, where r is less than 1, is between minus 1 and plus 1. So we can write 18 into a 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. So that is 18 into 1 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 3. So which gives the answer. This is 18 into 1 upon 2. This is 9. So 9 is the answer. Okay.